back to another video. Today you're probably wondering why I'm showing you an engine. I suppose we bought a car. Yes, we bought a car. So this is a 2003. It's 2021 now. So it wasn't that expensive. It's a Mercedes. It's second-handed, obviously. It goes up to 134 miles per hour. I think that's what I believe. But it's a bit hard to change the oil, but it's like automatic oil change. And if I take you over to here, there's a slight problem. See, as you see, these mirrors move. They are supposed to move. There's a big chunk out of it there. That's been repaired. Because it's not working. It's not that responsive. Oh, this bit's quite old. As you see, that's Mercedes. It's Mercedes. So it's not like a £5,000. So it's quite cheap. It's quite nice. It's got lots of small compartments. And yeah, there'll be more videos on it later on. Bye. Also, by the way, we only have so we don't really have like another car. We have like a van, but we've only had like so far, apart from this one, we've only had like one car we actually own. But this is the second one we've actually owned, like we paid for ourselves.